Hello guys, this is Vaish. This is just a follow-up video of what results came today, because in my YouTube video I saw in the comment section people are discussing on this topic, like confusion over who is actually the rank one. Is it the person who got some rank in the last year, he has got it again, or if he have got, why did he write it again? So I thought I'll just clear that confusion and give you some more other things which you have to do, because prelims of 2020 is nearing. So many questions are there, so I'll just consolidate here in this I think 5 to 6 minutes video. I'll just wind this up. In the social media initially, the photograph of this person was being circulated, because both of the names are Pradeep Singh. Okay, I'll show you the UPSC website also. Rank 1 and rank 26 both are Pradeep Singh. Everyone were like, even the news channels were calling him, like thinking he was the rank 1, because he was already like last year also he was in news, because he was rank 93 last year. Okay, this Pradeep Singh which you see on the right. So he was ranked 93, and this year he has got rank 26. Okay, so it has improved, and that's a very good thing. Maybe he wanted IAS, and that is why he did it again. Because IAS, it's like people will be thinking like, why he got 93 and still no IAS. That happens. Okay, there is no specific cutoff for any particular position. Okay, based on the cadre you select, or the location, or the category you are. Okay, maybe general category, or the place which you give. If there are people above you, above your rank, who is choosing the same cadre and the same thing which you wanted, obviously you will not get it. Okay, so that is also there. It's not like up to 100 rank you will get it, up to 200 rank you will get it, because students often argue on this point. Okay, like I have seen like 400th rank person getting rank, then how are you telling only 100 rank will get? These are all things based on your caste or your category, your cadre and all. Okay, if you are maybe SC category or ST category, and you have chosen some remote area, maybe your hometown, which is the cadre, obviously you will have a higher chance to get there, because nobody else will opt there from your category. Okay, so that is how the ranking does not directly link to your IAS or IPS or IRS. This person actually, this Pradeep Singh, he got IRS actually, and he was in the training phase. He took a leave from there, and he was studying again, and this year he's got 26. So hopefully he will get IAS this year. So that is like the strength of determination. He did not give up, and he again give it. Okay, and this is second attempt. I'll show you more details in the next slide. And this time's rank 1 is this Pradeep Singh, which you see on the left side. Actually, news channels did not even know this, and he was like, now only he's being contacted, and now you can see in YouTube 2-3 videos are there. Not any very big news channels, but small channels, because now, because of this corona situation, nobody can directly go to anybody's house and do the interview and all those things. So through video call they're connecting, and 2-3 videos have come out. So we were waiting just for the confirmation of these things, although it was clear, because we know the last year's result of this person. But this is how it is. Okay, so he is rank 1 Pradeep Singh, and this is also rank 26 Pradeep Singh. Okay, and he is the one who wrote it last year and got 93. Now so the details about them, that is also what people want to know. So here, if you see, he's a rank 1 person. He is from, I think, Haryana, yeah, Sonipat, Haryana actually. And 3-4 attempts he has given before, and first 2 attempts I think he did not clear prelims. Then he again gave, then he got into some job, and then again this time he has got the rank 1. Okay, so that is what I always tell my students: never give up. If this is your dream, even if you get into other job, if you have your foundation ready by the first attempt or second attempt, keep giving the attempts. Okay, never give up on something like UPSC, because it's a dream job for everyone in this country. So you should give your attempt, and one day, if you really had done the hard work, you will reach there. Okay, so he was a working aspirant, and so that is also, please, the working students who ask me like whether we can clear exam, he's a good example for that. Okay, and I think his optional is public administration or something. I'll get more details soon, because now only the news is out today, and so everybody is collecting information about students. Okay, so this is what the basics are. And this student is like rank 26 this time. He is like from Madhya Pradesh, Indore, and he is like in last 3 years he is in Delhi. From there he is doing his coaching and doing this thing and all. He have done coaching from many institutes. He has done from, I think, Wajiram and some other places, and he has done a lot of test series. A lot of videos are there, because last year he was already in news, so his lot of interviews are there. He speaks very confidently. He participates in debates. So he is out there with lot of information already. Okay, you cannot see much videos about him, but you can see a lot of videos about him. Okay, he has gone to different institutes and spoke about his success, and he has done like too much study. He has done, he tells, like, I have done 35 revisions of Lakshmikant, I have done 40 revisions of Nitin Singhania. So he has done a lot of studies. Okay, and he's it's like a childhood dream. From 8th standard onwards he's preparing for this thing. Okay, so rank 93 in 2018, and this time hopefully he'll get IAS, and he's a trainee aspirant, meaning he was already in the training phase of IRS, which he got last year. Okay, so this is the basic information which you need. So overall, what you have to know is anybody can clear this exam if you really wish to do this. Okay, and this is his second attempt. Okay, this Pradeep Singh, it's second attempt. Last attempt, first attempt in age of 22, he got rank 93, and now age of 23, so he's one of the youngest also. And there are many other students also who are youngest in other ranks, but this is the confusion part. That's why I just took the details of these two. Now what next is the thing for other students who are preparing for this exam. Like first thing is 2019 now, because the result has come, students want to know the cutoff. Okay, because obviously if you are a new student, maybe you don't know this process. Okay, only when the 1 year completes, the full 1 year completes, even the people who failed the exam, they will come to know their marks. Okay, 2019, what was the cutoff marks, what mark they got, nothing is like, nobody knows that now. Okay, because UPSC never publishes it unless the rank list comes out. So now the rank has come, so hopefully tomorrow or day after tomorrow they'll put it. I'll show you in the website where you can see this, but these are the things: 2019 cutoff marks, 2019 marks of students. Okay, like if you have given the prelims and you failed last year, you have no idea what is your mark. You just know that you have failed because your name or roll number was not there in the PDF which came out. So where to see this, that I will show you now. And then 2020 students, what to do. Okay, before that, now let's go to the website. It will just take a minute. So if you go here, this is the UPSC website. So in UPSC website, examination. Okay, under examination here you can see cutoff marks, answer key. This is where you can see the details. Where now, suppose you click on cutoff marks here, 2019, in order it will be there. On 2019 only the Indian Forest is there. So you will ask, like, Indian Forest and Indian this thing civil service, almost I mean both of them take the same prelims. Then how come this is there and that is not there? That is because this is already out, and even though the prelims is same, the cutoff will be different for them. Okay, like if you see here, Indian Forest Service 2019, here if you see, this is prelims. Okay, minimum qualifying mark, this is out of 200, 116 was the general category, then EW is 112, and see, even if it is ST, it is more than 100. Okay, so it was like a high cutoff for last year's prelims exam, and this is the same prelims which the civil service exam students also did, but there the cutoff will be different, so they publish it separately. So you have to wait for this. You have to wait. Tomorrow maybe a link will come. Tomorrow or this week we are expecting one link will come here where Indian civil service examination will be there, one PDF will be there, and you can see similar things for prelims, mains, interview, everything. Okay, because interview just now got over, mains everything was forest service already everything was over. Okay, that is why it's already published. Now this is about the cutoff. Now again, if you go to the section here, examination, there will be something called answer key. So answer key, if you see, for that one 2019, neither the civil service nor the forest service, both are not there. Why? Because both are the same exam, so you cannot publish the answer key now. I mean, UPSC don't do that. They can do that, but they are not doing it. Every year they wait for the entire process to get over, then they will publish that common answer key for both the things, the common prelims. So that will come here. So this is the place where you have to go, and that is why we also keep tracking this. That is why we were one of the first channel to tell the result also today, like result came. So that is why always, if you are a very serious aspirant, at least once in a week go and check the UPSC website, like any more updates are there or anything, because in the home page itself you can see here, okay, the scrolling thing, whatever is new will be coming here and here in the scrolling. Okay, so this is where you have to see the cutoff and this thing. Obviously when it comes out, I will do the analysis. I will do again prediction for 2020 cutoff as well. We do that every year. So this is the basics about UPSC website. Now going back to here, 2020 students, the date also, if you see today, like August 3, they have purposely done it like it's like exactly 60 days for your October 3, October 4 prelims. Okay, so that is how UPSC have given a message indirectly that we are on top of this, we will be conducting the exam on time, we have no plans to push the exam again. Okay, so that is the message which is indirectly given by UPSC. So 2020 students, please have that enthusiasm. You can spend watching the videos of toppers there, what they tell about their preparation, all those things, but don't overdo it. Don't like every day sit and watch topper videos, because that will take off your time. Now this next 60 days is very crucial for you, and you have to do very good preparation and very good revision. Okay, because whatever you revise now is going to decide your mark and decide your clearing of prelims. And 2020 vice students, you can talk to me directly. Okay, usually we don't do any call support, but 2020 students, my prelim students, I'm telling, I'll be calling you. I've already started last week onwards. I'm calling them, I'm checking their progress, I'm asking any doubts you have, or what is that is like demotivating you, or revision advice if you need anything, what should be priority. Vaishya students can talk to me, okay, and I will give you a call because we have to see the availability of timing and all. So you just have to WhatsApp me if you are my student. I've already messaged them directly, whoever I have contact, because some students are not there in WhatsApp. That's why I'm telling here. Okay, so you can message me in WhatsApp or comment or Facebook or wherever, and I will call you. Okay, I will call you and we can discuss maybe 15 minutes or 30 minutes of detailed call. We can have to discuss your progress. And 60 days video, I'll put out a video maybe tomorrow. I'll put out a video telling how to plan this 60 days, okay, for 2020 students. So even non-YCIS students can watch that. Then 2021 students, what to do? You are ideally supposed to join any good coaching institute or any good test series. We also had made a 365 days plan, so you can do a discipline study, because the cutoff is going to be higher as per what we think. 2020 and 21, the cutoff will be a little bit higher. Why? Because you people are getting the most lengthiest time for preparation. Okay, so UPSC will see to it that the exam is a little bit tougher. Okay, exam will be on the same standard, but the options will be a little bit confusing and the cutoff will be higher, because everybody are studying very detailedly. Even now 2020-21 students both have started their preparation, both are studying parallelly. So obviously 21 the cutoff will go higher. So you have to have that disciplined study right from now. Join a prelims test series, join a mains test series, do everything what a good mentor tells you. Okay, and if you are very new to this exam, just come and WhatsApp me. Okay, that is what the next point is. 2022, 23, 24. I even get messages of 2028, meaning they are studying in their 8th standard or 6th standard and all, and they are planning the preparation now. So you people come and WhatsApp me. I'll give you the beginners video list, free videos you can watch on my channel, and then you can decide how to start. Okay, because all our videos on YouTube are free and it will guide you to be the right aspirant. Okay, need not join any test series right now. You are not even ready for that. So how YCIS is helping you? Free video lectures. You just have to click on subscribe. Okay, nothing else. Just click on subscribe and watch everything which is available. There are a lot of playlists available. Everything's for free. Okay, almost every subject, and more videos will come in the next 6 months. We are planning that almost every textbook be digitized and put on this channel. Okay, so that will be done, but it will take time because now the test series enrollment and things are going on. So little busy with that. And then test series which is open now. The mains both are closed. We don't have any more plans to start any new batch, 20 and 21. Still, you can come and ask for the brochures and details, so that in case later we start something, you will at least have an idea like how YCIS does the things. And prelims both are open. Okay, 2020, it's like better you join maybe this week maximum. After that, I don't recommend you to come and join, because I don't want students to pile up YCIS materials like you do with other coaching materials. Okay, our things are designed very precisely just for serious students to study and revise. So if you are only good in revising at the last minute and studying, you can join. Else don't join. You can come and directly join for the next year's course, 2021, which is open now. Okay, so and contact is the final thing. I'll close. Email you can do, because some students are not there on WhatsApp. Else directly WhatsApp, where you'll get the fastest response from me. Facebook, you can search YCIS. YouTube, you can search YCIS. Okay, these are like our contacts of point of contact, and you can reach us anytime. Okay, 24 hours, either me or someone will be there online. WhatsApp, I'll be directly there. Facebook also, I'll be directly there. Email and YouTube, it depends on the availability of our thing. Okay, our timings. So any more doubts, still ask me in comment section. But as I told, don't overdo the research on toppers and all those things. It's not needed for you, especially 2020 students. Please focus on your preparation, and we want you to clear this exam. Okay, and then we will be happy to guide you in mains also, because everything is there on the internet for free. Please make use of this lockdown time and try to clear this exam in this very first attempt. Okay, very first attempt clearing is possible. That is the proof of that Pradeep Singh which you saw, who cleared last year at the younger stage. So any more doubts, let me know. I'll come with a new video tomorrow, the 60-day preparation for 2020. Till then, enjoy your learning. Thank you and have a nice day.